Listen to this meditation when you feel uptight, tense, or just in need of some quiet, peaceful time to totally relax. Once you have found a quiet, private place where you will not be disturbed, get comfortable and we can begin. I'd like you to get into a warm and comfortable position so you can relax easily. Settle down, relax, and make yourself comfortable. Take a long, deep breath into your belly and exhale slowly. And as you breathe through your nose, be aware of the rhythm of your breathing, taking deep breaths into your abdomen and exhaling slowly. And taking a slow, deep breath. Deep breath in. Exhale. This time is for you to relax and allow yourself to have this time just for you. And notice the breath going in and expanding your abdomen. And then notice as your body releases the breath and your abdomen constricts. And as you listen to my soft, soothing voice, you feel relaxed and calm. And as you continue to focus on your breath, simply breathing at your natural pace, you feel more and more relaxed. And now I'd like you to shift your attention to your body and the surface where you may be sitting or lying. Simply allow your body to relax completely into the surface and enjoy the support for your body that allows you to totally relax. And as you allow your body to relax, simply take the time to notice how each part of your body feels. Notice how your head and neck feel. Notice how your shoulders and arms let go and relax. Your hands and even your fingers relax. Simply notice how the sensation of calm and relaxation travels along your body. From your scalp, down your neck, your shoulders, and notice the tingle all the way down your spine. Notice how your breath allows your back and chest to relax. Your abdomen and your hips to relax into the surface beneath you. Notice how your buttocks relax. And as you continue to allow your body to relax, notice how your thighs and calves relax and let go. Notice how your feet and toes relax. And notice the sounds around you now. These sounds are all adding to your relaxation. And continue to breathe deeply through your nose and deeply into your belly, in and out. Deeper and deeper. More and more calm and happy. Deep healing belly breathing. Just let my voice and any other sounds help you to relax deeper. They are all part of the experience. And now bring your attention to your mind. Allow your mind to simply let go of any resistant thoughts that you may have. Allow any self-talk to gently dissipate. Allow your mind to relax and allow any thoughts to simply pass. And smile, knowing how grateful you are to take time out to heal your body, mind, and spirit. And as you allow your mind and body to let go, just listen to my soft, soothing voice. Bring your awareness back to your breathing as you are now wonderfully, deeply relaxed. Your mind is calm. Your body is still and totally relaxed. You feel the wonderful sense of deep relaxation. Breathing nice and deeply, you can continue to enjoy this wonderful experience of relaxation.